Last week I went to a friend's house for brunch and she made the most delicious egg and smoked salmon platter. So easy to do, and the key to this is getting your eggs perfect, jammy in the center for the yolk and perfectly set white. So this is how you do it. First of all, you need some rapidly boiling water. Then we're going to place some eggs into the water. Now I've got my Sunny Queen free range eggs. I'll need 6 of these, and I like to balance them onto a slotted spoon to make it much easier to pop into the water. Now we don't want these to crack, so carefully lower them in. And now we're going to place a timer on. These need to cook for exactly 6.5 minutes, not 6 minutes, not 7 minutes, 6.5 minutes, and they're going to be perfectly cooked. Once they're cooked, I'm going to put them into some iced water. So while they're cooking, I'm going to start assembling the plate. So just a large flat plate, just like this one, some good quality smoked salmon, and I'm just going to garnish the plate. Okay, these eggs have cooled down and I've peeled them, and now we can start assembling. So I'm going to cut one of these eggs open. Bingo, that's what we're looking for, perfectly cooked eggs. And now we just place them on the smoked salmon, and I'll just do a few of these eggs. So we'll scatter them around. Look at that, see, we were talking about jammy in the center. That's what we're looking for. And one more. Look at that, the perfect soft boiled egg. Now this is all about making it look pretty. So I'll add some lemon zest over the top. So some Spanish onion, we'll just shave that over the top. Along with some dill. Dill goes so nicely with the smoked salmon and the eggs. And we just want to pick the fronds off and just let it fall over the top. And some salmon roe. You can get this from all of your fishmongers, and we'll just pop that straight into the egg yolk. These flavours are just a match made in heaven. A little more. I love the colour contrast. And finally, some breadcrumbs. These are crispy fried breadcrumbs. You can serve this with some toast if you like, but as I said, I am showing off here. Really showing off. So breadcrumbs it is. And freshly cracked pepper. So that is how you cook the perfect soft boiled egg. If you can do that, then the world is your oyster. There are so many different ways to present the eggs. This is one of my favourite ways with salmon and everything that goes with it.